Welcome back, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of vocabulary, specifically focusing on common bedroom objects. Are you ready to expand your language skills? Let's get started. Our first word is bed. Bed. A bed is a piece of furniture we sleep on. Next up, we have nightstand. Nightstand. A nightstand is a small table next to the bed where we can place our books or alarm clocks. Now, let's learn about lamp. Lamp. A lamp provides light in the bedroom. A pillow is a soft cushion that supports our head while sleeping. Remember, practice is key when learning vocabulary. Try using these words in sentences or creating flashcards to reinforce your memory. That's all for today's vocabulary lesson. Keep up the great work, and soon you'll be a master of bedroom object vocabulary. Stay tuned for more language learning tips. See you next time.